Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Wix to build your website and wondering how to make it faster, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Wix performance and how to boost your site speed using some simple yet powerful techniques. So, without further ado, let's get started. If your site is built on Wix, there are several steps you must follow to improve its performance. Don't worry, no advanced technical skills are required, so anyone can do it. To help you even further, we've also created a detailed blog post that covers all the points I'll be sharing today. If you'd rather read through the content or refer back to it later, you'll find the link in the description below. Now, before we jump into the solutions, the first thing you need to do is understand how your website is currently performing. Without knowing where you stand, it's hard to measure improvement. To do that, I recommend using two free and reliable tools. First, Google Page Speed Insights, and second, GTmetrix. These tools allow you to test any number of URLs and will give you a clear picture of your website's current speed and performance issues. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you've already run a test and noticed that your site is a bit slow. That's probably what brought you here, and that's totally okay. So now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the actual solutions to speed up your Wix website. Step by step. Step 1. Optimize your media for quick loading. Big media files, especially photos and videos, can really slow down your site. Make sure your images are compressed and in the right format. Use JPEG for photos, PNG for transparent graphics, and SVG for icons. Tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim can help you compress files without losing quality. If possible, switch to WebP format for better compression. As for videos, don't host them directly on your site. Use YouTube or Vimeo and embed them using HTML5 video tags. It'll save bandwidth and load faster. Step 2. Enable lazy loading. So, what is lazy loading? It's a simple trick that loads images and videos only when they come into view, instead of loading everything at once. This can speed up your Wix site by 20 to 25%, especially if you've got a lot of media on your pages. It also helps improve important performance scores like first input delay and interaction to next paint, which means your site feels faster and more responsive. If you're looking for an easier way to manage lazy loading automatically, try Website Speedy, the ultimate Wix speed optimization app. It takes care of lazy loading effortlessly, saving you both time and effort. Step 3. Simplify your code. Too much JavaScript and CSS can drag your site down. Minify and combine your files to reduce the number of HTTP requests. Use tools like Uglify.js for JavaScript and CSS Nano for CSS to clean things up. And definitely remove any code that's not being used. It just adds extra weight. Step 4. Use a CDN. Wix automatically includes a built-in content delivery network, CDN, which helps your site load faster by delivering content from servers closest to your visitors. To ensure it works properly, make sure you're using Wix's native hosting and that your custom domain is connected correctly using Wix's DNS or CNAME settings. Upload images and videos directly through Wix rather than using slow external sources, and keep performance settings like Optimize for fast loading enabled in your site settings. To check if the CDN is working well, use tools like GTmetrix or Pingdom to test your site speed from different locations. With proper setup, Wix's CDN can significantly improve performance, especially for global audiences. Step 5. Load resources asynchronously. Alright, this technique makes sure your website shows the most important content first, even if some background scripts are still loading. So instead of waiting for every single file to finish downloading, your Wix site focuses on what the visitor sees right away, helping the page feel faster and more responsive. And with no-code tools like Website Speedy, you can cut load times by up to 25 to 35%, while improving key performance metrics like FCP and LCP for a smoother user experience. Step 6. Avoid overloading a page with animations. Animations can look great, but too many of them can slow your page down. Every animation takes extra resources to load, which means longer wait times for your visitors. Now, that doesn't mean you can't use them at all. If your page is light and doesn't have too many images, using a few simple animations is totally fine. But here's the good news. Wix actually lets you remove or reduce animations pretty easily. You can also remove scroll effects from strips or sections by clicking on them, choosing scroll effects and setting that to none too. So, use animations wisely and sparingly. Stick to what enhances the user experience, not what slows it down. Step 7. Address render blocking resources. Have you ever noticed a delay before anything shows up on your site? That's often caused by render blocking resources, like big CSS or JavaScript files that hold up your content until they fully load. To fix, defer those files or use inline critical CSS so the most important content loads first. You can handle this manually if you know how, or just use a no-code tool like Website Speedy, which can boost load speed by up to 40% and improve key performance metrics like FCP and LCP. Step 8. Be careful with plugins. Plugins are handy, but too many can slow down your site. Stick to only the essential ones and make sure they're from reliable developers. Audit your plugins regularly and remove anything that's unnecessary or outdated. Step 9. Design for mobile first. A huge chunk of your visitors are browsing on phones, so your site has to be mobile optimized. Use responsive design. Check how your site looks on different devices and fix any performance issues on mobile. A fast mobile site equals happier users and better search rankings. Step 10. Minimize redirects. Redirects create extra steps in loading a page. Too many can slow things down. Go through your redirects, clean up any that aren't needed, and make sure they're handled on the server side to avoid unnecessary delays. Alright, there you have it. 10 powerful steps to speed up your Wix website. By applying these tips, you'll not only boost your site's loading time, but also improve user experience, SEO rankings, and conversion rates. And hey, if all this feels a bit overwhelming, or you just want a faster, easier fix, give Website Speedy a try. It's a no-code tool that takes care of most speed issues in just a few clicks, even if you have zero technical experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more website optimization tips. Got questions or need help with your site? Drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help out. Catch you in the next video. See you soon.